As if paying alimony weren't bothersome already, imagine receiving an unfriendly letter from the IRS forcing you into an audit and assessing taxes for 3 years of income that you had previously deducted. That's exactly what can happen under the often misunderstood and rarely discussed trap known as the Alimony Recapture rule. Cordell Cordell family law attorney Jamie Spero explains that this rule is triggered whenever your alimony payments decrease or if they end within the first 3 calendar years after you begin paying alimony. But there are certain exceptions.
This 3-year period starts with the first calendar year in which you make an alimony payment. And now there's an exception to this rule. So temporary support payments that are paid, for example, spousal maintenance, spousal support, alimony pendente lite, those types of payments do not count in terms of the alimony recapture rule. It has to be an actual alimony payment.
The rule specifically applies if the total payments made in the 3rd year are $15,000 or more less than payments made in the 2nd year, or if the payments made in the 2nd and 3rd years are substantially less than payments made in the 1st year. As Spero notes, this is not a situation you want to find yourself in.
It's a bad thing because the biggest benefit to payment of alimony is the ability to deduct that on your income taxes and reduce your overall tax liability. If you're subject to the recapture rule, you lose that benefit, and you're essentially paying income tax on money that you don't have available to meet your own expenses or support yourself.
To avoid the alimony recapture rule, Spero recommends letting your attorney know that this is a concern so that they can consult with either your tax accountant or CPA and work on coming up with a settlement so that the recapture rule is avoided. You can also avoid front-loading your alimony payments, increasing your payments over time rather than decreasing, or extending the number of years in which you pay alimony. To read more about the alimony recapture rule, check out DadsDivorce.com. That'll do it for another episode of Dad's Divorce Live. I'm Sean Garrison, editor of DadsDivorce.com, and we'll see you next time.